Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another monthly moneymakers video for December. In our newly launched dropshipping video series, we will give you the latest information regarding next month's top selling items and hottest categories. So, here we are, entering the initial stages of the winter season. And let me tell you something, I don't like it. It's cold, it's damp, but it's actually good for your dropshipping business. Let me rephrase that. It's a dropshipping gold mine. Usually, this month is one of my top 3 most profitable months of every year, and I'm absolutely sure that 2021 will be no exception. If you want to improve your sales, now is the perfect time to quickly update your eBay store. Not gonna lie, there are a lot of excellent items to list in December. However, here is what I would always do. I pick up some of the best-selling items from last year and combine them with fresh hot options. And this seals the deal. Oh yeah, Halloween might have passed, but just like everyone else, you're waiting for the most celebrated events of the entire year, the winter holidays. Sounds good, right? Okay, stay till the end of our monthly Moneymakers video and you will get some of the best tips for dropshipping during the winter season, as well as a bonus advice which you can incorporate in your eBay selling strategy. Once you start selling fast, don't forget about all of the Amazon logistics tracking numbers you are about to receive. Those can definitely cause a headache. Unaccepted trackings can bring you a lot of trouble, especially when it comes to your service metrics, which is something you don't want. In order to avoid any potential mistakes with managing your numerous tracking numbers and save yourself a huge amount of time while doing it, check out Trackerbot. Check this. It will automatically convert your Amazon tracking serials into bluecare express tracking numbers for free. Before moving on, I want to give a special shout out to all our Trackerbot fans out there. You make these videos possible, and as a major thanks, we would like to give you an exclusive free trial to our dropshipping tool and a follow-up discount if you like using it. Just check out the link in the video description. I can tell you this. If you're preparing your store for the winter holiday market frenzy, you can't afford not to have Trackerbot as your trusty sales management tool. Alrighty then, let's put the obvious out of the way. During December, the weather will already be super chilly. The mighty cold begins to control our lives, and because of that, billions of people start searching for warm stuff on the internet. There are plenty of different categories here, but I'm going to select 5 of the most popular ones and provide a bit more information about them. At number 1, we have winter clothing. When it comes to winter clothing, all of its variants are suitable for selling in December. Women shoppers are always searching for sweaters, leggings and scarves, while men usually focus on hats. All items here are worth selling, but let's analyze leggings for example. They are relatively cheap, quite useful and warm, and one lady definitely needs more than 1 or 2 for the whole cold period. So, with each sale, you can actually sell multiple leggings with different colors, brands, etc. The choice of leggings on Amazon is quite vast, so give it a go. And don't forget about gloves, scarves, sweaters and socks. Moving on to category number 2, heating devices. Now, most people do have the main heating systems already installed in their homes, but there are plenty of other options in this category which can help you pass through the chilly months with ease. Who doesn't love a warm heating pad? It's cool for both people and pets. Take a look at this other item, heating pad for back and shoulder. Looks cool, sold 67 times, 18 positive reviews. I'm sure this item is going to be a hit during December. Also, in this category you can consider all portable heaters. There are home options as well as heaters for cars, like this one. Last year I made over 100 sales of car heaters during December, so take a look at the options and list some. Category number 3 is Christmas related. Toys, toys, toys. Millions of toys are being bought each year for the Christmas holiday. Don't skip it. Listing some cool trendy toys will definitely bring you sales for a profit. When I'm saying trendy, search what's the biggest drill right now. I'm not really into Fortnite, but I know about Squid Game, Netflix's most watched TV series ever. So, after very fast research, I found this toy set. Surely, such toys are going to be a hit in the next month or two. Hot items alert! I actually was thinking to not show this item to you and only keep it a secret from myself, but that wouldn't have been really generous on my side. So here it is. Find other toys whose demand is skyrocketing right now and list. In category number 4, we bring an incredible classic. Do-it-yourself kits. Picture crafts, do-it-yourself jewelry beads, sewing kits, picture crafts, and the list goes on and on. The special thing about creating listings with DIY products is that they are the ideal presents for both kids and adults. Since not many people go out during winter and spend more time at home during the holidays, DIY kits are lots of fun and provide a great way to pass the time. I mean, check this do-it-yourself jewelry kit out. It has thousands of parts, is ideal for ladies and only costs $16. Make sure that you don't miss adding such kits to your shop. And now we reach category number 5. Massaging devices. Handheld massagers, massage guns, fit pose massagers. Those and other handheld devices are currently trending on the eBay platform, which is why you should list that category in your store. If eBay likes it, you definitely have to sell it. I mean, check this massage gun by Flyby. It's only $69.99 and it will definitely bring you eBay store some attention. How about this warming neck massager for $57.95? It's an absolute steal. Make sure to check out all portable massagers on Amazon and you can definitely create a listing that will be worth it. Here is the best part. The cold season equals a lot of stiff shoulders and there is nothing better for a customer to buy a massager for themselves or as a present to someone who will definitely need it. We have thousands of satisfied subscribers, all because of Trackerbot. Their businesses continue to grow every day. Check out the reviews. If you're still not convinced, we want to give you a free 2-week trial. If you like it, you'll get 50% off your first month afterwards. Here is another bonus tip. You can time your free trial just before the winter holidays start. This way you will experience the full power of the tool without having to pay anything for it. I'm Stan and this was Monthly Moneymakers for December. A sub to the channel will be greatly appreciated. Smash that like button, ding the bell for new content notification and remember, stay frosty and merry dropshipping.